Hey, so if you want to edit photos like a pro for free, yeah, Darktable gives you powerful tools similar to premium editors. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to edit photos in Darktable in 2026. First thing, open Darktable and import your photo in the light table view. Click import and select your image. Next, double click your photo to enter darkroom mode. So this is where you edit everything. All right, start with exposure. I mean, adjust brightness, contrast, and highlights to balance the image. Now fix colors. Use white balance and color balance to make your image look natural. Next, sharpen your photo. So use sharpening and clarity tools to improve details. All right, add effects. I mean, you can use vignette, blur, or tone curve for creative looks. And yeah, crop your image, fix framing, and straighten the horizon if needed. Finally, export your edited photo. So go back to Lighttable and save your image in your preferred format. So that's how you edit photos in Darktable. Once you practice these tools, you can create amazing professional edits.